Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your OBS Studio not recording full screen. So first thing first, launch your OBS Studio. As you can see that I'm currently recording this video, and if you see from your sources, you will see displays. If you think the display is not being captured completely, you can also delete this by clicking on this pen icon and adding a new one. For that, select Add Source, and here select Display Capture. Give it any name that you would like. Select OK. And likewise, under Display, make sure you set it your primary monitor ratio, which is this in my case. Select OK. And once done, it will capture your full audio. Under Display, make sure this is selected to your primary monitor. Now once done, this shall fix the problem. If it's still not working, you will have to uninstall OBS. For that, come below under Software, type in OBS, select Uninstall, reinstall it again, and this shall fix the problem.